Hey marketers, if you are ready to launch your ads but still figuring out where to send that traffic, don't worry, Google Search has your back. It's one of the simplest ways to get a professional landing page online fast. Here's how to do it step by step. This First, go to site.google.com. This is your starting point. If you are signed into your Google account, you will land right on the dashboard where all your site live. You have got two options. Start from a blank canvas if you want full control, or pick a template to speed things up. Templates are great for structure, but blank canvases give you room to get creative. Add your headlines, then images, CTS, everything your landing page needs to convert. Keep things focused. Your visitor should have one clear action to take. And don't forget mobile. Preview how your site looks on phone and tablets to make sure it's clean and easy to navigate. Most of your traffic will be coming from mobile. Then choose a short, clean site name. This will become part of your URL unless you connect your own domain. Hit publish and boom, your page is live. Want to look more professional? Connect your own domain to Google Domains or another providers. The Bros Trust can help your ads perform better. Link your Google Analytics properties so you can track who's visiting, how long they're staying, and where they're dropping off. Then use Google campaign URL builder to create a URL with UTM parameters. This lets you see exactly where your traffic is coming from when it hits your analytics dashboard. Now take that UTM coded link and drop it into your ad platform. Google Ads, Meta Ads, wherever you're running campaigns. Once your ads are live, keep an eye on performance. Use your ad platform to track clicks and conversions. Use Google Analytics for deeper behavior insights. Refine as you go. The best landing pages is in bulk based on what your data tells you. And that's it. You just launched a clean, mobile-friendly landing page using Google Sites, with tracking, branding, and performance measurement all set up. Now go run this ads and watch the conversion rolling.